Alright guys, I want to thank you one more time so much from the bottom of my heart for purchasing this course. I really truly appreciate it, and I really believe that you guys can be successful if you implement the tactics in this course. This is, in my opinion, pretty much the #1 way to make money online, because you don't need to spend money on advertisements, you don't have to spend money on Facebook ads, any of that. There's no investing required. All you have to do is invest some of your time. So I really believe in you guys. If you implement the tactics in this course, you can make a lot of money. And I would honestly love to hear from you guys. So please leave any questions that you might have down in the comments. I'll be answering all of your guys' questions that you leave. I am infinitely grateful that you bought this course, so I want to help you guys as much as possible. I'll also be updating the course and answering like the most asked questions that you guys are wondering. And I want to thank you guys again one more time. Thank you so much for buying this course. I really appreciate it. I hope this course delivers a lot of value. I'm sure it will. I'm sure that you guys are going to be successful based off the information in this course. I believe in you guys. I know you guys are going to be successful. Thanks again for buying this course.